Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala abdillahi wa rasulihi Muhammad wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. My dear brothers and sisters, Friday is a special day for us as Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned it in several Sahih hadith. So today we are going to discuss about it. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Inna hadha yawmu Eidin ja'alahu Allahu lil Muslimin." This is a day of Eid which Allah has made for the Muslims. He also said, "Ma min Muslimin yamutu yawm al-Jum'ah aw laylat al-Jum'ah illa waqahu Allahu fitnat al-qabr." Any Muslim who dies during the day or night of Friday, Allah will give him protection from the trials of the grave. And he also said, "Fihi sa'atun la yuwafiquha abdun muslimun wa huwa qa'imun yusalli yas'alu Allah shay'an illa a'tahu iyyahu." There is an hour on Friday, if any Muslim standing in prayer asks Allah for something, Allah will give it to him. So dear brothers and sisters, we should make dua on Friday, especially between Asr and prayer, because many scholars said this is the likely time. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, "Fa'akthiru alayya min as-salati fihi, fa inna salatakum ma'rudatun alayya." Send a lot of salat upon me on Friday, because your salat will be shown to me. May Allah accept all our good deeds and make our final abode Jannah in the hereafter.